are you today? Well, I'm doing great, and I'm enjoying looking at all of your completions. They are beautiful. I have got an unboxing for you. I got a Diamond Art Club one. I needed this one because there's always events out there that require a portrait or a woman or something. I haven't started it, and I'm not going to do it for Women's Month, but I do have it. There will be another event where I will be able to use this. So, what did I get? Glad you asked. Let's take a look. All right. Oh my gosh, this drawer is so... Okay. This one's an older one because I still have... It came with this nifty tray in here. So we don't need that right now. And here is our tool kit. I don't think this is going to be anything new because it's an older kit. Oh, but the pen is not plastic. The tip is brass. So that is good. And it looks like it's still putty. Yep, still putty. And the cool thin placer. I like it. I like it. So I'm going to put the thin one because I like it. We are recording, Mr. Pampered. Hello. Hello. So the tray is normal. The wax is normal. The tray is actually small. It's another small one. So, yeah, if you like the small trays, I got them in the last kit too. And of course your baggies. And let's see what is in here. This gives some tips and tricks and the QR code for the Facebook group. 20% off your first app purchase. How to do it, how to use your twist, how to use and refill the twist and pick applicator. So you've got everything right here. Let's see what the picture is. It's Mademe Chic, and there she is. She's got flowers. Oh, I could have done this one for this month for all petals 25 with Enza and Diamond Grandma. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Here's your colors. There is 26 of them. And like I said, in another video, I do keep these. These labels are really easy to take off the containers. And this one has 1 AB and no fairy dust. Bummer. I like fairy dust more than I like ABs. So let's put those over there. Ooh, there's a card, and it is a bronze. Ha! No way, no way, another bronze. So I'm going to put the card in here. The cards are pretty, but you know, I just keep getting bronze. It is what it is. Nice drawer. So let us see. Oh, I can't wait. I love the canvas on Diamond Art Club. Ooh. She's not that big. Look at that. Yep, I'm going to need this eventually for an event. So that's why I picked it up. So if it's a red or a hat event or flowers or a female in the canvas, I'm covered. I am covered for a couple of categories. So no lines, perforated edge. See? You hear that? Perforated edge. All the glue is very gluey. Perfect. Beautiful. And here is the drills for Mademe Chic. Ooh. Okay, as you know, all right, let's start with the small one. Let me get my handy dandy pen. Where'd you go, handy dandy? There you are. All right, so we have 356. We have 3778, 3830, 605, 3755, 758, and that is this train. And let's bring you a little closer so you can see the colors better. Here's that pretty pink, blue, and this is like a tan. So that's that train. Now, this big long one. So we got 3325, 894, 606, 799, 823, 948, 754, 322, 803, 775, 892, 312, 939, which is another one of my not favorite colors, 814, 891, 141, which is RAB, 666, which is a true red, 498, 310, which is the one I don't really like, 321. So now I'm going to look on my color grid, color code, and they are all accounted for. So let's look at these colors. There we go. And there's our AB, the white. And this white is number 1, which is going to go in her glove and right in here of her shawl. And in the flower, the pink flower right here, and specks of it throughout her hat. Nice. So in the shawl, in the glove, in the hat, specks in the hat, and in the rose. Nice. That'll look pretty. Here's the rest of the colors. And the static looks great. Doesn't look like there's hardly any. Yeah, looks good. That one actually looks the worst. But if there's only one that I have to worry about, maybe two, then I'm doing good. Because we all know static, it's not fun. So there is the colors, as RoseKnit39 says. Here is the cinnamon roll. It's going to be very pretty. Very pretty. Very nice canvas. Good stick. I love where the ABs are going to be, and is also in her nose. I'm not keeping that there, guys. That's just going to look weird. So I'm going to put some of 948 in her nose instead of the AB, because it's down here, the 948, and I'm just going to put it here as well, because I don't think making her nose shine is going to make it look good. Unless she's got a cold and her nose is runny, then, you know, hey, it is what that is, you know? But I'm not doing that. So that is Mademe Chic. So let's look at it again. This is my AB roll. Do 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 do. Not very big. She is 12.6 inches by 14.6 inches, 32 centimeters by 37 centimeters. So she will probably need a custom frame when she is done, because those are not 12.6 and 14.6. I mean, you could probably buy a bigger frame and put a mat around her and then put it in a frame. That'll probably look good. I usually get my custom frames at Michael's. I always try to get a regular frame if possible, so I don't have to get those frames at Michael's, because sometimes they're a little pricey. So I really like that AB too. That's pretty. And then that red. That red is probably the background. Let's see, 666 is the down arrow. Yep, it's all in here. All the white down arrows. That's where that one's going to go. And then 606 is going to be the lighter red, which is the L's. I don't see where they're going. They're not in there. Oh, they're right in here. Here and here. And there's some here. But out here is the, it's 2 dots. It's going to be 16. The 814. That one right there. So it's going to be a mixture of the red and that for the background. That'll be okay. That is what I have for you today. I hope you have a good day. And we will see you on the next one. So remember, be kind to everyone.